Hello.
This whole balcony is ours. This is ginormous.
Action.
As you guys know, we always try to find Airbnbs that have like a little kitchenette of some sort so that we can at least do some cooking in the apartment. You know, try and save money, grocery shop, cook, health reasons, whatever it may be. We do try to do a little bit of that. And if it comes with a washer in the unit, that's like another huge added bonus. But I wouldn't say that either of those things are like necessarily big deal breakers for us. We're usually just looking for the best deal on a place that's in an area that's like close to where we're wanting to be. So, when we found this place right outside of the capital of Romania, Bucharest, our minds were a little bit blown, I will say. We booked this place literally the night before we checked in. Sometimes prices are more expensive. Usually there's like way less available, especially with it being summer. But when I found this place on Airbnb, I was like, there's no way. This place looks way too legit. We booked it, and honestly, we feel like now we have to show it to you guys because it's just so cool. This is our front door, and I literally, this thing's a little intimidating. Like, it is like heavy duty. The door itself is incredibly heavy, and then it has like bank safe status locks on it.
Yeah, look at 4 cylinders plus one up here.
Yeah, plus this guy up here. It's a little intense, but hey, I'm not complaining. I don't know how that works. Anyway, you come in. This is bathroom number 1 in this apartment. We have no use for this, but hey, if we have a guest over, this is where they can use the restroom.
You know, I've used it.
And shower if they need to. And bonus, right behind door number 1 is, you guessed it, a washer, which we are very excited about because I feel like we always need to wash our clothes. This is the most well-stocked kitchen we have had since we left our own kitchen back in the United States. We have the biggest fridge that we have had. Yes, we went grocery shopping. We have a full freezer, and you guys, this is like music to our ears. We love ice. I don't know if I've mentioned that yet. Hey, do you guys know that we love ice? Good gosh. Ice just isn't like, you know, a huge thing, I would say, outside of America. So we always buy bags of ice, but very often grocery stores are out of them because I think people are just going crazy for anything cold because of how hot this European summer has been. So we have a full freezer of ice and maybe some ice cream in there too.
Oh yeah.
We have a giant kitchen table. Literally, this is bigger than our kitchen table that we have at home. Seats the same amount of people, but this table is a little bit bigger. That opens up to our gorgeous little seating area, little family room. I don't know who decorated this place, but I feel like they did a fantastic job. I feel like this is a very Scandinavian decor. I don't know a ton about interior design, so if you do, you can let me know in the comments if this is not considered Scandinavian, but it feels very Scandinavian. This closet is monstrous. We definitely don't have enough clothes in our little carry-on suitcases to fill this thing, but it's incredible. That leads into the master bedroom. Very comfy, cozy, nice minimalist decor again, cute light fixtures, and that takes us into the master bath. And this master bath, I think this is what dreams are made of.
It's beautiful.
I wouldn't mind having this master bath at home, let me tell you that. This thing is beautiful. We've got the nice exposed tub over here, nice big open shower over there. I love when showers don't have doors. I don't know, I just kind of like that vibe. And I love the giant windows in this bathroom. Having windows in a bathroom is like the greatest thing ever, I think.
Hello. She does her morning laps out here.
This whole balcony is ours. This is ginormous.
It's literally like 100 feet long.
Yeah, like this is the biggest balcony. When we first came out here, I was like, there's no way that's ours. This has to be like a shared balcony. No, the whole balcony is ours. We've got a little seating area here. And then you turn this way, we've got fans, we've got lights, we've got another seating area here. And then we have this beautiful view. Some of you might be wondering what the heck I'm wearing on my feet. But let me tell you, if this isn't luxury, I don't know what is. The Airbnb provide little house slippers, and these are my favorite thing. I don't know what it is with these little paper thin slippers, but I just love them. I could get used to this place. So that is our gorgeous apartment, and some of you might be like, wow, that's an incredible apartment. Well, let us tell you, the best part about this apartment, not only is it massive and beautiful and well decorated and comes with slippers, but we only paid $65 a night for this place, which considering everything that we are getting in this apartment, I feel like that's a really good deal.
But guys, we're not staying here very long. As much as we would like to actually spend the next little while in this apartment.
I could move in. This apartment has everything you could ever need.
It really does, but we're not staying, guys. We have some plans here in Romania that we are gonna share with you, but first, we gotta go run a quick errand. This is our beautiful blue little Hyundai right behind us.
Hyundai, he's very blue.
Very blue. He is going to be taking us throughout Romania for the next 10 days as we road trip all over the country.
That's right, you guys. We came to Romania to go on a epic road trip for the next 10 days through this beautiful country, and we have some incredible things planned that I'm honestly really excited about.
It's gonna be crazy, guys. We have booked so many places to stay, so many things to see.
This country, I had no idea, is so unique. But before we can start this road trip, there is a few essentials that we need to grab before we embark. So,
all right, guys, I'm stoked. We're about to roll into the Romanian Home Depot here. It's called Dedeman, and we're in search of something that we need desperately.
that's right, you guys. We came to pick up our own little portable fan. We've got a 10-day road trip through Romania ahead of us, and a lot of places we're going don't have air conditioning, and it is hot here, like in the hundreds Fahrenheit here. I don't know if that's normal for Romania or not. I've never been here, but it's hot. It was my cute mom's idea. Thank you, Mom, I love you. I was on the phone with her last night, and she's like, why don't you just run to a store and just see if they have like a cheap little plastic fan? And I was like, that's genius, because we can just throw this in the car, and then our last Airbnb, we are going to donate a fan to it.
I love it. Is that the one?
I think it's the cheapest one.
Yeah, cheapest one, and it's just white, pretty. Perfect.
Solid white. I don't think they'd get mad about this. You know, I feel like that would go with any decor.
I think they would love it.
All right, let's do it. Efficient and ultra quiet. All right, all right.
Oh no, assembly required.
We might need an engineer on this one. Good thing I travel with one.
Oh gosh.
Here's the blades, here's the base, and here's stand.
Chelle, get that assembled. I'm hot.
Okay.
So we actually have air conditioning in this awesome apartment. You can see one up on the wall there, and there's actually one in the closet area back there, but there's not one in the bedroom. Baffles the mind. I don't know. So this is gonna be really nice. It was really hot, about 80 degrees in our master bedroom last night. We're gonna use this all throughout Romania, and I think it's gonna be a good investment.
Airbnb has this little pond out here, and I don't know where this pond, man-made, I don't think it's natural, I don't know. This tiny little rowboat is part of like our Airbnb. I don't know if like the whole building has access to it, but like our Airbnb guy made it sound like we had access to our own private little boat. So we came out here, and I feel like we have to maybe go for a little row on our little pond here. I really hope we don't fall in though, because this pond looks kind of gross.
All right, let's see if this thing is pond
Let's see if it floats. Nice and easy. You're floating away! I'm not in yet! Come pick me up.
All right, take us out to sea.
We're off to a great start here. Oh wait, I'm going the wrong way. Is it because I'm backwards?
I think you're supposed to be that way. All right, now we're moving. Alright guys, we got on board. Chelle's paddling us up and down the pond. This thing I think is barely seaworthy, and we really don't want to fall into this pond, but it's really pretty and it's really peaceful and quiet out here. Well, it could be. We're hauling butt now. There's our apartment right up there, the penthouse of the building. Wow, look at this turnaround
Yeah, I'm
maneuver.
freaking, did you just see that? That was a lot of
I got
concentration.
that on film.
Yeah, here, let's see if I can do it again.
Do another
I'll go the
360.
other way. Oh no, I'm going the same way. Got it.
Nice. All
Nailed
right,
it.
towards the sun.
You better not splash me with that dirty water.
All right, we're going straight now.
We're going straight for the side.
I don't think I've ever rode a boat like this either.
I never have done it with like these legit little clips right here. I've never rode a boat with that.
I've only ever done like a kayak. I think everyone around can hear how loud these are squeaking.
Oh, they for sure can. Everyone's like up enjoying the peaceful evening on their balcony. And then we're out here. It's just this
Great
one.
exercise.
Excuse me, Captain, does this boat come with any refreshments?
I have a full dinner awaiting you upstairs. You have to prepare it though.
This is like a make your own dinner cruise after the cruise. Not all inclusive. Okay, so no fancy meats and cheeses and beverages on this cruise. All right, take me to shore.
Coming in for a landing. Hey, tell me if I'm aiming well.
Yeah, you are.
All right, I'm coming in full power.
Hey, that's really, yeah, I feel like you're straight on. Look at this. Oh, crash landing. We did it! Dinner is served. This is a hodgepodge smorgasbord. And the truth is this is way too much for 2 people. I think it's hard cooking for 2 people. Even at home, I thought it was really hard cooking for 2 people. The package of chicken that we bought, we can only use it here because we're leaving tomorrow and we don't have like a cooler or anything to keep it cold. And it had 5 pieces of chicken, so we were just cooked them all up.
We'll see how far we get. It looks absolutely delicious. I'm really excited about dinner right now. Got our fan blowing back there, keeping us cool. Today was awesome. Make sure you come back tomorrow. We're starting our 10-day road trip through Romania. I'm gonna hop in the little blue car down there.
We need to
head
name
north.
him.
We'll come up with a name tomorrow.
Come up with a name.
If you guys want to comment down below any names you think we should name our blue car,
I mean,
we'll take
he's
that
ours
into
for the next
consideration.
10 days. We're gonna really get to know this guy.
Yeah, right? Hopefully we end up loving him. I'm sure we will. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Good night, everyone.